Welcome to 2-Minute Math with Dr. John, where we cover a math concept in under 2 minutes. That way, if you want to watch it again, it won't take too long. In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate trigonometry functions in a right triangle, commonly known as SOHCAHTOA. So, if we start with a right triangle, like this, 90-degree angle there. If we're looking at this angle, we'll call it theta. We can label the sides. The first side next to theta, we call the adjacent side. And then the side that's opposite theta, well, we call it the opposite side. And of course, the side that's opposite the 90-degree angle is the hypotenuse. Now, the three main trig functions are sine, cosine, and tangent. The sine of theta, sine of the angle theta, is equal to the opposite side, the length of the opposite side, divided by the length of the hypotenuse. The cosine of theta is equal to the length of the adjacent side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. And the tangent of theta is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Now, I always remember the difference between sine and cosine as that S is close to O in the alphabet. So sine uses opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, C, is close to A. So cosine uses adjacent. Okay? And then just tangent is opposite over adjacent. So what we have is that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. Now, I like to write it out in a more visual way. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Maybe that helps you. Whichever one you use, they both work. Now, there are three other trig functions, and they are basically the reciprocals of the three main functions. For example, we have secant. The secant of theta is 1 over the cosine of theta. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so this is just the hypotenuse over the adjacent. The cosecant, CSC, cosecant of theta, is 1 over the sine of theta. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so this is hypotenuse over opposite. And the cotangent of theta is 1 over the tangent of theta. Tangent's opposite over adjacent, so this is adjacent over opposite. All you have to do is flip them. I always remember secant goes with cosine because S goes with C. Cosecant with sine, C goes with S. So they just flip those two flip, okay? Cotangent and tangent, okay, go together. I hope this video was helpful. please like and subscribe. And have a great day.